Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 32. Hope you all are fine and safe. So in the last class we have discussed two activities, that is of adding the interaction and hyperlinks and to insert the table and the chart. I already told the interaction and the hyperlinks both are almost similar, that is of adding the link to get a particular document or a image or a audio or video. If you want anything which is to add to include in our presentation, we can give the links. Okay, when you click on that particular link, you will be getting that documents or the page open. Okay, so for that we have to type a text. After that we have to select that particular text. Then if you are giving the interaction, we have to click on format interaction, and you have to you have to give the we have to select the particular location where that video is, and when you click on OK, after that when you click that particular link, you will be getting that video open. Okay, that means that particular text you will be getting that video open. In the same way, you can add the hyperlinks also for opening the particular page like that. Okay, so that, and next we have done the activities of inserting the table and the chart. So today we are going to do two activities to add the presentation files and slide sorting. So for that I am going to open our own presentation. This is the presentation which we have created now. Yes, this is the link. When you click on this link, when you double click on this link, I already told. Yeah, we got the video open. This is a global warming video by NASA. In the same way, when you click on this link, if there is proper internet, you will be directed to that page. We will wait for that. Sometimes it will open, otherwise it will be difficult. You can see the link over here. No, it's not opening properly. Yes. Okay, so I already told, when you click here you can see the link. So there is a proper net connection, it will be opening soon. That means it will be opening easily. Next is the activities of adding this table and the chart. Here we have added a table, and also here we have added a chart. Okay, so next we are going to do the activity. The name of the activity, how to add presentation files. Okay, so for adding the presentation files, what you have to do is, first of all, you know about the presentation files. Suppose if we have more than one presentation, we have created more than one PowerPoint presentation, we have added some slides in that presentations. Suppose the group 1 and group 2 is there. So first group created one presentation, suppose it is this presentation, and the group 2, some students they presented another presentation file. If we want to add that particular slide of that group 2 presentation, if we want to add that particular slide, we can add it to our presentation also. That means in our school resource folder, there is one presentation. This is the presentation 2.odp. In this presentation you can see several slides. If I want to select a particular slide to add in my presentations we have created now, we can do that by using the LibreOffice Impress. Okay, so that we are going to do. Okay, so for that, yes, I will be opening my presentation, and here I want to add a particular slide from the presentation which we have seen in the school resource folder. So for that, go to the menu slide. You can select insert slide from file, and in standard 9 in the presentation you can see the presentation 2.odp. This is in the school resource folder. Double click, you can see the location. When you click on this arrow, you will be getting the slides, and when you click on the slide 2 and when you click on OK, you will be getting that particular slide open here. Okay, just a second. So in this way we can add the presentation. So that is the activity 7.8 to add the presentation file. Once more I will be showing from the slide menu, insert slide from file. This is the presentation 2.odp. Open that. When you click the location, we can add the particular slide, slide 1, slide 2. If you want to add slide 3 or slide 4, you can add that. Select that particular slide, click on OK, that slide will be appearing here. So here I am selecting slide 4, click on OK, you will be getting the slide over here. Okay, in the same way you can add whatever slides you want, that you can add. Okay, so I hope you understood. This is the slide which we have added extra from that presentation, from the school folder presentation. Okay, if you want to place this slide over in the last portion, that also you can do. Okay, when you can drag and place it over here. In the page number 106, you can see slide pane. This is the slides. These are the slide pane. These have several features. Okay, here you can see the slide pane. See the thumbnail view of the slides. This is the thumbnail view of the slides. Okay, we can select a slide easily. When you click on here, that slide got selected. Then we can copy and paste the slide. When you right click over here, there is you can see the options for copying and pasting the slide. If you want the copy of this slide, click on the option copy, you will be getting the same slide. Okay, and if you want to paste that copied slide here itself, paste, you will be getting the same slide. Okay, if you want to delete that slide, click on the option delete slide. If you want to add new slides to the presentation, that also you can do. You can see here new slide. Okay, and you can delete the slide that I have already showed. You can use the option delete the slide. If you want to rename the slide, there is also an option rename slide. Okay, and we can arrange the slides. That means if you want to this third slide to come as the fourth slide, we can arrange that. Just drag and place it over the fourth position, so it will be coming as the fourth position. Okay, if you want to hide a particular slide, click here, you can see the option hide slide. Okay, if you want to just temporarily hide a particular slide from the presentation, you can click on the hide slide. Okay, so these all are the features of the slide pane. So next is an activity. So these all features we have discussed now. Next is the activity of 7.9, slide sorting. Okay, slide sorting. That means if you want to, this is our slide. If you want to sort a slide in a particular order, we can make use of the slide sorting. Okay, so in the side you can see the animation. If you want to sort the animation, to arrange the animation, that also you can do. So how this is the slide which I have done animation. How you can see the animation? When you click on the slide show, start from the first slide, you can see the animation. When you click here, you will be getting the global warming, and when you click next, you will be getting the picture over here. Okay, suppose I want to show the picture first. After that only I want to show the text global warming. I want to rearrange like that. In that order, first I want to show, when I click, first I want to show the picture, then I want to show the global warming. How I can do that? That also you can do in LibreOffice Impress. How we can do that? Here you can see in the slide, in the side pane, you can see animation. Click here in the animation. You can see the two animations. That is of one is global warming, that text. Another one is the image. Okay. So if I want to, this image is in the second position. If I want to move the image to the first position, the image will appear first. So this you can see here, the window move up. Click on the option move up, so the image goes to the upper position. Okay, after that I am going to slide from the current slide. When you click, first the picture came, and next when you click, the global warming appeared. Okay, so in this way also we can do. That is the arranging the animation. Next is slide sorting. We can sort the slide. Okay, how we can sort? For that, from the view menu there is an option slide sorter. Click on the slide sorter, you will be getting the slide. So suppose I want to make this second slide here, I can just move and place it over here. So the second slide will come to the third slide. Suppose I want to move this fourth slide to fifth slide, that also I can do. Okay, now I have sorted the slide. After that we have to go to the normal presentation. So for that again you have to click on the view normal. So it came to normal presentation. So now it becomes third slide, this becomes fourth slide, and this becomes third slide. This was the fifth slide, last slide. Now it becomes fourth slide because we have sorted it that way. And this was the second slide, it comes to the third position. Okay, so this is the presentations which we have created. So just a second. So we have studied about these all things. Okay. So when I open this presentation, when I go from slide show, start from the first slide, you can see the slide which I have created. When you click here, the picture came, then the global warming came, then next slide chart, next you can see the video. If you click on this button, it will move to the next slide, and again when you click slide you can see the chart and the click to exit the presentation. So now we have studied this presentation. So what all things we have studied? We have studied how to add the master slide, how to add animation to the picture and to the text, how to add the scrolling text like this, how to add video, how to add the image. Okay, and we have studied how to add this interaction tool, use the interaction tool, and how to use the hyperlink. This is the hyperlink which we have used. When you click over here you can see the hyperlink. Okay, and this is the before going to the document. Okay, and next we have included another extra file from the outer from the school resource folder. There is a presentation. From there we have added an extra file from outside. So that also we have studied, and we have sorted the file and we have arranged the animation. So these all things we have studied. Okay, so I hope you understood these all things. So if you have any doubt you must ask me in the coming Google Meet. You have to practice the activity. So, see you in the next class. Thank you.